my name is Miss B and I am with Handful Players, and today I'm going to be showing you all how to do a story spine. You could use this activity with books or movies to retell any story that you and the people you're playing with already know. I hope you enjoy this activity. Today I'm going to be using 3 other people to help me show you an example of us creating our own story from scratch. The basic structure of Story Spine is that each person that is participating sits in a circle, and in that circle, when it is your turn to speak, you will add 1 sentence to the story to move the story along. You want to make sure that the story makes sense, and you want to make sure that you're adding on to whatever the person before you said. Alright? Now I'm going to introduce my team. What's up? I'm Chad. Hey, my name's Chloe. Hello, my name's Larry. Awesome. So I'm going to start off our story, and we're going to move around the circle so everyone gets a turn to add a sentence to the story that I start. Ready? Alright, let's get started. Once upon a time, there was a girl named Stacy. Stacy had long brown hair. And her hair was so long and so curly that it went all the way down to her knees. Her curls were long, but when her hair was wet, it went all the way down to the floor. Stacy's little sister, Macy, had really short hair. It was so short, it didn't even reach her shoulders. And one night, Macy snuck into Stacy's room in the middle of the night. And when Macy went into that room, she cut Stacy's hair. She cut all of Stacy's hair off. And then she taped it to her own. Cause that little Macy always wished she had longer hair. The end. Thank you so much for watching us tell our story. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope that it also inspired you to make your own story at home and also retell some stories that you already know. If you'd like to send us a video of your storytelling, we would love to see it at Handful Players. So please check out the email address below, and if you'd like to record and send it to us, I would love to see it. I'll see y'all next time. Bye-bye.